everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney if you're new here. In today's video, I'm going to be going over about like 3 different looks, and I'll be using some of the same pieces just to show how I style it a little bit differently. If you'd like to see the looks that I created, continue to watch, like and subscribe, and let's get started. Oh, I will list all of the pieces that where I purchased them or where you can still get them, or just so you can like find cool things for yourself. Okay, here we go. So for the first look, this is like a 2-piece set that I got on the Vestiaire collection. Vestiaire Collective. This is Vivienne Westwood. I paired it with this long sleeve Discount Universe shirt that I got on Poshmark. And then I paired it with hoops. These are from Maya Jewelry. And just, this is a vintage Glen Yank. Oh, I hate this. Sorry, had to move you. This is a vintage Glen Yank bracelet from the 80s. And this is a ring that I got in a little store on the Lower East Side. I don't remember the name of the store. And these are from Le Monceau. And this is a ring from Julia. And then my Eternity collar and cuff. And then a little spike bracelet. These are things that I never take off. And for shoes, I paired them with these little boots that I got from Rouge. I love supporting women-owned businesses. So this is a Jeanne Damas. That's her line. I just thought the whole aesthetic, I like pairing it all together because it gave me a real like Emma Peel vibe from the Avengers, if you guys know, from the 60s. So that is outfit number 1. On to outfit number 2. For outfit number 2, this is the look. You can see it. So I bought these pants. These are Willem and Alaska. Willem is a very, very dear friend of mine, so I try to get as many things with Willem's face on it. These I got from Drag Queen Merch. I don't always buy secondhand, but when I do purchase something, I think of cost per wear and how long will I keep it in my wardrobe. So I try to purchase things, especially if I'm purchasing something new. Well, anytime I purchase something, I want to keep it forever. So I know that this has really always been my aesthetic. So I'm going to have these for a long time. They're really good quality. It's supporting drag queens. Here for it. I paired it with that same Discount Universe top. This was secondhand sweater. My cousin Cassie loves to shop and then gives me all of her stuff that she doesn't want anymore. So I got this sweater, and I love that because I wouldn't necessarily have purchased this myself, but now that I have it, I love it and I wear it all the time. For a bag, I got this Proenza Schooler secondhand. This I got, I want to say, from Fashion File. Fashion File is also a great place to get luxury secondhand goods. And then I paired it with these Gucci glasses. These I also got secondhand, and I got those off the RealReal. And then I just kept little hoops that I never take out. Same jewelry as I had in the last, and same boots. I'll show you again. So same boots from Rouge. Again, I cost per wear. These have been worn a lot. You can tell because they're all scuffed up. But I love them. It's a great boot, and you can always get them resold and keep them forever. On to look number 3. And for the last look, I kept on the same pants, and I paired it with, sometimes if you don't want to, like, I love color clashing and mixing patterns, but if you feel like you want to tone down like a pattern pant, just by putting on like a higher boot, that way you see less of it, but I go for the gusto. So I paired it with this blazer that I got on ThredUp, which is another secondhand site. And this is a leather daddy hat that my cousin got for me. And I paired it with this plastic piece. I love camp. So My friend bought this for me. This was an Amelia Arsenic piece. I don't believe that she makes jewelry anymore, but I love plastic jewelry. And just some large hoop earrings. I kept on the same accessories because I forgot to change them. Oh, and I paired it with just like a sheer top that I got from my cousin. And the boots, these are Proenza Schooler. I purchased these secondhand on The RealReal, which is another secondhand shop that you can get luxury goods for super discounted price. So that is outfit number 3. I will list everything, all the places that I like to shop, and if you can get some of the same pieces, I will list them in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.